Hey, bikes on me, bikes on 3. 1, 2, 3, bikes. Strong right. Hey, bump, bump, bump. Hey, Sal, watch your crosser. Sal. Hey, watch corner, watch corner. Come on, boys. Hey, let's go. Hey, watch ball. Ball, watch ball. Let's keep it up. We did great on the run. Let's go. Come on. Hey, good hit, good hit. Hey, good hit. Hey, Frankie. Good hit. Good hit. Hey, you gotta get out. Hey, let's get out. You're dropping just the one. Hey, get depth, and you'll see that crosser on the trip. Hey, bump, bump, bump. Hey, yellow strong switch. Hey, yeah, Danny. If you see that, just ride him out. Huh? If he bumps outside, just ride him out. Hey, trip. Hey, watch roll it that way. I need to work on my vertical. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Rally to ball. That's a shot. Hey, you're Jonah?
Yeah.
Hey, good. Hey, congrats on the offers. Hey, consider the academies, brother. Hey, set you up for life. Good kick, D-Bell. Hey, let's go, D. Ollie, just shoot. Shoot for those legs. Wrap and shoot for those legs. Hey, watch sweep, watch sweep. Hey, do you want me down? Should I bump him? Yeah. All right, hey, you're gonna go B. B.
Go on this side.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, he moved. Hey, good job, Blackburn. Hey, let's go, boy. Hey, explore their backfield. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, Bill.
I like playing H. It's hella fun.
Hey, bro.
It's so fun. Wait, did you hook that fool on that one? On the ducks? On the touchdown? You hooked him, right? And blew him out. Oh, that was good.
Dude, Seattle
Because I was like, all right, I'm gonna have to chip on that, and I just chipped the linebacker.
Dude, Seattle cooking me so. Oh my God, so open.
Number 2 wears Crocs. Alessandro Demarino wears Crocs. I don't think Crocs get warm.